Here at Zips, we're always stressing the importance of safety. I'm Elle Rottinghouse. In this Zips 360 feature of the day, it's first aid kits. You can get a very affordable first aid kit around $20, depending on how many pieces you want. I've rated a few kits that I feel are good, better, and best. If you're looking for something simple and easy to store, I'd go with the First Aid Only Essentials 312-piece kit. It's easy to travel with because of the soft-sided zippered case. This comes with all sorts of plastic and fabric bandages, antibiotic ointment packets, medication, scissors, a cold pack, burn cream, gloves, tweezers, alcohol wipes, and even a disposable thermometer, among other things. I'd say the next step up from there would be the Top Safety Class A First Aid Kit. It basically has everything the Essentials Kit contains, but with higher quantities, inside a hard plastic case that can be mounted to the wall if you want. It has a water-resistant lining with 2 snap closures. My top pick is the Medic 3-shelf ANSI Class B First Aid Cabinet. I like this kit the most because it's very organized with 3 shelves and pouches on the inside of the door. You can clearly see the full assortment and quickly find what you need. This is made of metal, has clasps on the sides, and a strong handle. This is a great choice for small businesses or remote locations of a facility. You won't know what supplies you need until an event occurs, but it's always a good idea to have an assortment on hand. Find the right first aid kit to keep on hand for your shop, house, or business operations under Safety Supplies at zips.com.